Today it makes day 6 of our Super Bowl tailgating week. I'm super excited. We got one more video to go. So I couldn't dare end this week without having at least one dessert video. Because what's a tailgating party without a dessert? Alright. So with that being said, today we are going to tackle these egg roll apple pies. When I tell you they are amazing, they're gonna have your crowd coming back, running to the table for more. You hear me? Yes. So with no further ado, let's jump right into this video. First, you're gonna need 3 cups of diced apples. So peeled and diced. So that's about 3 apples. Just in case you didn't know. You're gonna need 4 tablespoons of sugar. 4 teaspoons of flour. 3/4 teaspoons of cinnamon. And 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. So you just want to mix this all together really good. It smells good. Okay. So it should look something like this. All this goodness, you guys, goodness. Now that we have combined all our ingredients together really good, you want to get you some egg roll wraps, which I found these at Walmart. So I'm just gonna get my egg roll wraps out. Try to get them out without tearing them. And that one is teared, but it should be okay. And you want to take your apple filling and you want to just drop a spoonful right in the center. And you want to tuck the ends like really good because you don't want them to come loose during frying. And you're going to fold it over. And you're going to fold it over. And to secure the ends, you just take a dab of water and just roll it over like that. And it should be something like that. Simple. So I'm just going to go on and I'm just going to continue to finish rolling our egg roll apple pies out. our egg roll apple pies. I have rolled all of them out. So now all I'm gonna do is, that's my grease right there. I'm just gonna turn my grease on medium to high heat and allow it to get hot at least to 350 degrees before we drop our apple pies in. Our grease is ready, so we're just gonna drop them in. And with these egg rolls, they don't take long to cook at all, so just be mindful of the cook time. You don't want to overcook them because you don't want them to, the filling to fall out of them. So you just want to cook them for about 4 to 5 minutes. And like I said, my eye is just on medium high heat, which I have it on 6. So you can cook, you know, a couple at a time. Just like I said, be mindful of how long you cook them. You don't want them busting open. You don't want the filling falling out of them. You just want to get them golden brown. So like I said, it's like 4 to 5 minutes. They are cooking beautifully. This is the first one we dropped in right here. It's getting that nice and golden brown to it. I'm excited, you guys. So I'm just gonna allow them to finish cooking. So they'll cook for about 5 minutes. As you can see, they are golden brown. So I'm just gonna take them out, and I have a plate lined with aluminum foil. I'm just gonna drop them on to catch the excess grease. And I am going to go on and proceed to cook the rest. Our apple pie egg rolls are done. Hey. Yes, they look good. This one had a little bit too much heat. But anyway, they are done. So let's cut one open and see what it looks like on the inside. I'm just gonna cut one open and we're gonna see what it looks like on the inside. Look at all that goodness. Okay, they look amazing. I can't even lie. Yes, let's try it. Besides hot, it is really good. Okay, really good. These are really good. Okay, so with that being said, before serving them to your guests, just for garnishing purposes, sprinkle some powdered sugar on top, set them out there, and I promise you they're gonna come running back for more. Because this right here, unbelievable, amazingly delicious. You hear that right? Delicious. Yeah, that's me. Okay. Anyways, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe of my egg roll apple pie. Comment below and let me know what you think about this recipe. Also, give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, go make sure you subscribe. And by the way, we got one more video this week, which will show tomorrow, so stay tuned, because it might be some good stuff. You don't want to miss it. Okay, so until the next time, until the next video, thanks for watching. Bye.